Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you this cute little turkey. It's a place card holder for Thanksgiving dinner, and will have a tutorial for it after I announce who my giveaway winner is. And so this is basically like making rosettes, but you're just making little fans and you're making them like big. So I used 3 different scrapbook papers that I had in my stash, and then I used brown cardstock for the body, orange cardstock for the little bow tie and the little beak and the little band on the hat there. I used black cardstock for the hat, and then added some cute googly eyes and a little red cardstock for the little Waddle thing or whatever that is there, and some white cardstock for my name. So that's super cute. It's pretty quick and easy to make, so stay tuned after my giveaway winner. So if you didn't know, I had a giveaway a couple weeks ago, and my video was for the new Christmas Hotbuy pads from Michaels. So if you'd like to go see some new Hotbuys that they came out just a couple weeks ago, and I think even some of the Michaels are still putting them out, go ahead and check the link down below for that video. But on my video, I revealed that I was doing a 2,500 subscriber, or I just hit 2,000. I think I'm almost at 2,500 subscribers, so I wanted to do a giveaway for my subscribers. So check that video out. And now on to my reveal of who the winner is. Congratulations, Francine. I'm so happy that you entered into my giveaway and that you won. Francine watches a lot of my videos and always subscribes and leaves encouraging comments, so I really appreciate you, Francine. So go ahead and message me over on Instagram. My Instagram name is @CreativeCrafticality, and the link for that is down below. So I think that would be the best way for you to give me your address, and just let me know. Well, obviously, if you are in the United States or if you are in another country, like Canada or whatever. So, and then give me your address, or will have to, if you're in another country, then I will need to get your PayPal and send you money that way. So anyway, stick around and we will get started on this tutorial for this cute little turkey place card holder. Alright, so what you need for this project, you need 3 different colors, green, yellow, and orange, either print or solid cardstock. You need orange cardstock, red cardstock, brown cardstock, and black cardstock. You need 2 googly eyes. You need scissors. You need tacky glue as well as hot glue. You need a paper trimmer, and you need a scoreboard. And also, you either need a circle cutter, or I have these scalloped circles dies that I can't seem to pick up right now. But I have one that is 2.5 inches, and this one is 1.5 inches. And if you don't have these, you can always print them out like in Microsoft Word and use it as a template to cut out, or you could find like a glass, 2 different size glasses, and trace them. Or if you have like a Creative Memories circle system, or just circle dies like this, just endless ways you can come up with 2 different circles basically, and that are 2.5 and 1.5. And then I have this bow punch that's a Fiskars bow punch but you can also use like a bow die or just make your own bow by cutting out. I mean, it's pretty simple shapes there. Or you could use the bow, you could use like an envelope punch board and make a little bow that way if you have that little mini one. So anyway, or you could just use a ribbon for that too. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is put together my turkey body so it can be drying while we make the fans there. So I'm going to take my bigger scallop circle and glue down the smaller scallop circle on top of it along the top there. And then I'll go ahead and glue the two hat pieces. This hat piece is an 1.25 inches by 1.25 inches square, and then this is 1.5 inches by like a little over 1/8 of an inch. So we're just going to put a tiny little bit of glue right along the bottom there, and then stick the brim of the hat there. And then this little sliver here is 1.25 inches by 1/8 of an inch, and that's just a little orange band on the hat. And then this whole thing gets glued on top of the hat if I can pick it up, but you'll want to let it dry a little bit. Go. So we'll just glue that right on top of his head. Like that. Clean up the glue here. I'll go ahead and glue the eyeballs on. I cut a tiny little beak with the orange cardstock, and it's about 1/2 inch long. Pretty much all the way around. The two sides are a little bit, tiny bit longer, but I just eyeballed it. First, or before we stick down the beak though, we want to put the little waddle, and I just made like a U shape. And it's about 1/2 inch as well, and probably 1/4 inch wide. So I'm going to stick that there. And then put a little bit more glue here. Stick him down. I'm going to use my hot glue and assemble the bow pieces. Pretty much curl the two sides together in the middle. Put a tiny bit of hot glue there. And let that dry. And then This bow maker has the little tiny centerpiece, so we'll just wrap that around. Put a little bit of glue. And just put that in the center like that. And then the little bow will go right underneath at the bottom of his head there. I'm just going to use tacky glue for that. All right, so he is ready to go. So we'll set him aside. For our little tag here, I have a piece that is a 1/2 inch by, let's see, it's a 1/2 inch by 3 inches. And then you also want to cut a piece that is a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches. That is the piece that all of your fans glue onto. So that one I have ready. Got glue strings popping out everywhere. What I did with this was I just cut 2 little tails with my scissors. That's ready to go, and then you just have to write your name on there. Of course you need I used a Sharpie, a black Sharpie. I forgot to mention that for that one. So that's ready. Now for our fans, to make the feathers on the turkey, grab your scoreboard and what you need are your 3 pieces of your printed scrapbook paper. I have one that is 12 inches long by 4 inches wide. That's for the back one. For the middle one, you need 3 inches by 12 inches. And then you need the green that is 2 inches by 12 inches. And you can absolutely do these in whatever colors and prints, or they could just be plain, whatever. So I have 2 of these already scored. I have to score this one yet. And what I did was I scored them every 3/8 of an inch. So it's a little bit bigger than the normal 1/4 inch that you do for your little rosettes. And you could probably even do this bigger, just whatever your personal preference is. So just go ahead and score all the way down the 12 inches. And then I'll be right back. Need to take and fan fold each of your pieces, starting with the end piece being folded towards the back, because I happen to have one-sided scrapbook paper. If you have double-sided, that would be even better, but I just started by folding it, the end piece towards the back, and now you just want to just go and fan fold each one. So I will do this and I will be right back. Next step is to take, we'll start with your biggest fan that's 4 inches by 12. You want to pinch one end together and then holding it like that, use your hot glue, add some hot glue right on those ends. And then you're going to take and you're going to unfold your fan, and holding that still pinched together, you need to hold it there and let the hot glue dry. And then just go ahead and do that for the 2 remaining fan folded pieces. Next, you're going to take your little 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch piece there. Start with your front piece, and you're going to put some hot glue right on the front or one end of the white paper, and stick that fan right down on top of there, and put it right as even as you can. I was off a little bit there, but it's going to be fine. Now put a little more glue right in the middle, and you're going to stick your middle, the next size up piece there, and butt it right up against the green fan. And then I'm going to stick a little bit of glue right in between and glue those 2 pieces together. And then put glue right behind the yellow one, and stick your last piece back there. And I'm going to put some glue right back here too. Now take your turkey body and add some hot glue on the back there, and glue it right down, lining up the bottom of your circle or scallop circle with the bottom of the fans. And then stick a little bit of glue on the end of your little flag, and that goes right back here. Just like that. It sits up like that. It's hard to see this way, but I think they turned out really super adorable. I hope you like them as well. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.